Welcome to this video on how to create virtual environments in VS Code with Python. Before we start, we need to create a folder on our desktop and open with VS Code. I already have this folder created, so I'll open with VS Code by right clicking and open with VS Code. So VS Code is open now. I'll then go ahead and create my virtual environments. Before that, with virtual environment, you're able to put packages or install the necessary packages you need so that things are not selected on your system anyhow. So it keep you organized for particular projects. If you want to install a particular package for a project you are building or creating, can now put everything in one virtual environment. When you need that virtual environment with those packages, you activate the virtual environments, then you can use whatever packages you've installed in a particular virtual environment. And you can also create different virtual environments for different projects you want with different packages you need to use. So that is how virtual environments actually works. It helps you to manage different packages. Okay, so that is something small about virtual environments. Let's see how to create a virtual environment. I will bring up my terminal by pressing Control and the tilde sign. Okay, so here I have PowerShell. I'll go with PowerShell. So I'll type Python dash M. Sorry, it should be a space dash M. Then VENV. Then the name that you want to give to this virtual environment, I'll give my ENV for short. So I'll press enter. And by looking at here, we see there's a folder that has been created. And this is our virtual environment folder with other folders inside. We have the main folder you'll be looking at is the script folder. Realize that it's still not finished with the creation of the virtual environment. So let's give it some few minutes. And when it's done, we will look at how to activate it, how to deactivate the virtual environment. Okay, so now our virtual environment is done. So we are done creating the virtual environment. Let's look at how to activate it. We have the main folder, just env, and we have the script folder, which contains activate.bat and deactivate.bat. So we want to activate it. So I'll start by typing a dot, then env slash script, then slash activate. Okay, so you start with the dot, then a forward slash, then another forward slash, then you enter into the script folder, then you type the activate command. So the activate is what will actually spring up or bring up our virtual environment. So let's press enter, and immediately you see that our virtual environment name shows behind this directory. So that means our virtual environment is now active. So if you want to deactivate, you can just press deactivate, and now virtual environment is deactivated.